soon as temperatures start to drop below, 80 degrees consistently, and it starts dropping into the 60s and even 50s at night, those no heat calls are going to start to be on the early stages where we want to really start to get out in front of them. But it's also this incredible time for heating and air conditioning contractors to start running offers for tune-ups, okay? And oftentimes that's going to be done as a loss leader, as you probably know or may know. But there's a reason that the big companies out there that do a crap ton of advertising will go out and offer a tune-up special for $29 because it gets you in the door. And more importantly, it gets you in the door to upsell, cross-sell, and otherwise improve what your lifetime value of each and every customer.